Hey gang, Do-It-Yourself Dan back with you again. Got another review today. Today we've got the Balder Wireless Digital Weather Station with barometric history. This is cool. This has got a AC powered digital display with color. Can support up to 3 different channels. It comes with a sensor. You can get more sensors if you want to get actually more places monitored. The outdoor range on this thing goes to negative 40 degrees Celsius, so way down there, and goes up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty high. There is weather forecast on this for 12 to 24 hours, which is pretty cool. You've got min and max on your record temperature and your humidity. There's comfort level settings. There's an indoor temperature range that is also pretty wide. And again, no batteries on the main unit that plugs in, so you don't have to worry about that. The sensor itself takes 2 AA batteries that you'll have to provide, but no big deal there. You place that where you want to monitor the temperature, the barometric, and all of those things. And there's a lot of features with this that we'll open up, we'll check it out, and we will get this thing rolling and see what it has to offer.
All right, so we've got this out of the box. There's really not too much involved here. You've got your sensor, and that's the one that takes the 2 AA batteries. You've got your main screen, and then you've got your power supply for the main screen. On the back, you've got the plug-in for the adapter. There's also a kickstand on this, so it'll stand for you. There's buttons on the side, and on the back here it describes what each of those buttons do, which is kind of nice. And then of course you've got your user manual. Let's plug this in and let's see what it looks like. All right, so we're plugged in here, and as you can see, this thing's pretty nice from a display standpoint. Nice vivid colors. I didn't notice this, but there's also a moon phase that's shown on here. Again, indoor, outdoor temperatures, because this sensor itself probably is going to be the one that checks on that indoor. And then when we place this other sensor outdoor, we'll also get that piece of it. So that's pretty cool. We'll have to see what other types of things we get from this, especially once we fully calibrate it based on the directions. But pretty cool little weather station, pretty good value. I think this one is probably a win. So we'll continue to play with it. We'll continue to test our weather around the area. And again, this is the Balder Wireless Digital Color Weather Station with barometric history. So that's all for today, guys. We'll talk to you later.
All right, gang, so we've had this set up for a few days. I just want to show you how it's working. On the side here, you've got a set button, and you hit that and it takes you through all the different settings, and you can set up the time, date, time zone. You can set up what kind of forecast you want to see, what units you're in, and things like that. On the top here, we've got a button for brightness, and you can also snooze the alarm. You can set alarms on here. One thing that I learned was that for your outdoor sensor, if you place that in the sun, then more than likely you're going to get an inaccurate reading. I did find that in the manual. It says you're not really supposed to do that. You're supposed to put it in the shade. So once I moved to the shade, I have a much more accurate reading. And as you can see, right now it's pretty chilly outside, and it is kind of rainy. So that's all for the setup. Very easy. The manual explains everything. That's all for today. We'll talk to you guys later.